If you have a phone, internet, and a free time, you can make money simply by listening music. All you need to do is find an app called Piki, install it. After installing it, you'll be given a task of listening different songs. After listening those songs, they'll give you a reward of coins. 10 coins, it is equal to $1. So you have to listen for many songs as you can, so that you can earn more coins. After earning those coins, you can convert it into dollars, and you can withdraw those money by different option. For instance, you can withdraw by using PayPal or Bitcoin's wallets. It is a good app, and I put the link in the description so that it will be easy for you to find that app. Thank you for listening. Subscribe and view more videos.